Let's do it together. Fight to a side. Who cares about the weather? Fight on the floor. The party's on at your place. Fight to the front with a smile on my face. Hi, 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 hi. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. High five. 1, 2, 3, 4. High five. 1, 2, 3, 4. High five. High five in the air. Let's do it together. High five. Animals. Sometimes I'm proud and I feel like crowing.
Sometimes I monkey around.
I can strut like a peacock with my feathers showing.
When quiet as a mouse, I don't make a sound.
I can pounce like a panther, be strong as an ox, be stubborn as a mule, or smart like a fox. I can swim like a dolphin, or stand like a flamingo, soar like a falcon, or run like a dingo. So many animals inside of me, so many animals set and free. To run through the jungle, fly through the air, swim in the ocean, go anywhere. So many animals inside of me, so many animals set and free. To run through the jungle, fly through the air, swim in the ocean, go anywhere. So many animals set and free. So many animals set and free. Sometimes I'm mad and I feel like snapping.
Sometimes I horse around.
I can scurry like a chook with both wings flapping.
When I play possum, I cannot be found.
I can leap like a frog or jump like a croc. I can quack like a pig or watch like a hawk. I can walk like a duck or hang like a bat. Hop like a roo or pounce like a cat. So many animals inside of me, so many animals set and free. To run through the jungle, fly through the air, swim in the ocean, go anywhere. So many animals inside of me, so many animals set and free. To run through the jungle, fly through the air, swim in the ocean, go anywhere. So many animals set and free. So many animals set and free. So many animals set and free. So many animals set and free.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hi, I'm Charlie. Hi, I'm Kathleen.
Hi, I'm Tim.
And together, we're Hi-5.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Have you ever been to the farm and fed the animals? I'm just making a picture of my family's farm. Do you want to come along? Through the gate and into the farmyard. And this is the barn. A brown square shape with a red triangle roof. Shh. The farm animals are asleep in the barnyard. But the sun's about to rise. It's the beginning of a new day. I'll just add some more sun rays. One up there and one down there. There we go. I think we need some farm animals in our farm. 2 rusty orange coloured circles. One big and one small. Hey, I've got an idea. What animal goes cock-a-doodle? A rusty orange coloured rooster. Early morning on the farm, there's lots of work to do. Rooster crows, cock-a-doodle. There we go. A rusty orange coloured rooster. Hey, 2 pink circles. But what animal could I make out of these? Let's see. Can you guess? How about if I add this? What do you think? A roly-poly pig with a spiral curly tail. So we have a rooster and a roly-poly pig. Hey, I think we need one more animal. But I have no more shapes left. Unless... Hey, we could use this cloud shape for a sheep. a woolly white sheep between the rooster and the roly-poly pig. Early morning on the farm, there's lots of work to do. Woolly white sheep go ba ba ba, roly-poly pig go oink oink oink. Rooster crows cock-a-doodle. Hey, I think the sheep and the roly-poly pig and the rooster are ready to do some barnyard grooving. Early morning on the farm, there's lots of work to do. Woolly white sheep going ba ba ba, roly-poly pig going oink oink oink. Rooster crows cock-a-doodle. Well, I think I'm ready to head off to the farm. I've got a lot of barnyard grooving to do. Yeehaw!
G'day, I'm a farmer, and this is my trusty farm horse Red. We're going for a ride around the farm together. I'm riding on my horse, we're going far away. Over fences, through paddocks, we're trotting today. By rivers, up mountains, place, trotting together at a slow, easy pace. Whoa, boy. Why don't you come for a ride with us around the farm on your horse? Just mount your horse, grab the reins, and we're off. I'm riding on my horse, we're going far away. Over fences, through paddocks, we're trotting today. By rivers, up mountains, all over the place. Trotting together at a slow, easy pace. Whoa, that was a good ride, but I'm going to take old Red back to the barn. I think he needs a wash down. See you later.
1, 2, 3, 4, high five. 1, 2, 3, 4, high five. 1, 2, 3, 4, high five. High
five. Guess what? I went to Nathan's family farm this morning and collected some eggs. The chooks had just laid them. Look, aren't the eggs wild? A perfect oval shape, and I bet they taste really good too. I've got one egg for everyone in Hi-5. One for Kelly, Charlie, Nathan, Tim, and me. And I've got some egg cuddlers too, to cook the eggs in. One for each egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. I'm cooking a special farm breakfast for everyone. Cuddled eggs. It says to crack the eggs into the egg cuddlers. Okay. Hang on a second. One of my eggs is missing. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. But I started off with 5 eggs. One for each egg cuddler. Oh, I hope it didn't fall onto the floor and break. It'll be pretty gooey. It's not down there. Oh, well, there aren't enough eggs to go around, and somebody's going to miss out on a cuddled egg. Oh, hello. This jug of milk wasn't here before. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, I can use that milk to make omelettes for our farm breakfast. Well, omelettes have eggs and milk. Oh, so I'll put the eggs together in this jug of milk. Chooks go buck, buck, buckety buck, and chooks lay eggs buck, buckety buck. Eggs are good for cooking, they taste finger licking. Buck, buck, last one. There. And I'll just give this a bit of a mix. There. Perfect. Now I've got heaps of omelette mixture. Enough for everyone in Hi-5. Now to cook them. These egg cuddlers should work. It'll be kind of like a cuddled omelette. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, and 5. Perfect! And I'll just put a bit of cheese on top of the cuddled omelettes. There, 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 and there. Excellent. Now I'll just put it in the microwave to cook. And just set this microwave oven clock for 4 minutes. Chooks go buck, buck, buckety buck, and chooks lay eggs, buck, buckety buck. Eggs are good for cooking, they taste finger licking. Buck, 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 buckety buck, buck. Bing! They cooked really quickly. Oh, my microwave wall oven has magic time. And they smell delicious. Okay, everybody, the eggs are ready.
I'm collecting eggs that the chooks have laid. Here's one. Chooks lay eggs in nests all over this barn. When I try and find them, it's like playing hide and seek. One chicken likes to lay eggs up there on the rafter of the farm barn. Chooks go buck, buck, buckety buck, and chooks lay eggs, buck, buckety buck. Eggs are good for cooking and they taste finger licking. Buck, 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 buckety buck. Here's another one. There might be some more eggs underneath the wheelbarrow. I think I see some. Oh no, the piglets escaped from the pig pen. Come back, piglet. It's a squiggly, squirmy piglet. Now back into the pen. Whew. Where was I? Oh, that's right, collecting eggs from the wheelbarrow. 1, 2, 3. Chooks go buck, buck, buckety buck, and chooks lay eggs, buck, buckety buck. Eggs are good for cooking and they taste finger licking. Buck, 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 buckety buck. Wow, there's lots of eggs under there, but I think we've got enough eggs now. Oh no, the piglets escaped again. Come back, Piggy Wiggy.
Cowbells. Musical cowbells. I'm going to try singing with these cowbells. That's why I've got my cow ears on. I'll just warm my voice up first. Moo, 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 moo. Okay, here we go. Moo. Oh. My voice was much lower than that cowbell. Oh, now my voice was much higher than that cowbell that time. Meow. That's it. My voice matched that one. Not too high, not too low. Okay. Wonder if I can do it again.
Moo. I wonder, can we do it with a different bell? Moo. 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 Oh, my voice was way too low for the bell that time. Moo. That's it. Hey, I wonder, can we make a tune with these cowbells? Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Boy, that's a tricky one. Moo, 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 moo. Oh, I like that cow music.
It may seem like cows just sleep and stand around, nibbling the daisies on the ground. But don't think that cows never do a thing, 'cause when we get together, we love to sing. Yodel-odel-hee-yah-hoo, yah-hee, yodel-odel-hee, moo. Yodel-odel-hee-yah-hoo, yah-hee, yodel-odel-hee, moo.
I think the cowbells must have called the other cows.
It's a stampede! It may seem like cows sleep and stand around, nibbling the daisies on the ground. But don't think the cows never do a thing, 'cause when we get together, we love to sing. Here we go! Yodel-odel-hee-yah-hoo, yah-hee, yodel-odel-hee-hoo. Yodel-odel-hee-yah-hoo, yah-hee, yodel-odel-hee-hoo.
Well, I bet you never heard cows do that before.
Early morning on the farm, lots of work to do. Chickens clucking, buck, 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 roosters crow, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo? Is it time for me to wake up already?
Yeah, good morning, chaps. Just been to visit Nathan on his family farm.
Well, they must wake up very early on the farm. That's all I can say.
Yeah, really early. You know, there's lots of work to be done on the farm.
Well, there's lots of work to do around here too, you know.
I'm sure there is, chats, but don't you want to see what I brought back from the farm?
I bet I can guess some of them, Cal.
Okay, let's see if you can guess what this might be. Okay, turn around so you can't see. Right, I'm going to give you a clue. Buck, 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 buck.
That sounds like a hen.
Yes?
So have you got a hen in your hand, Cal? I don't think so.
No, not exactly, but it's something to do with a hen.
I know. Have you got an egg in your hand, Cal?
Yeah, it's an egg. I got to collect all the eggs from the chooks on the farm this morning.
Walk, 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 walk.
Do you want to try and guess something else I brought back from the farm, chats?
How about a clue? Then I'm sure I'll guess.
All right, a clue. Okay, you ready? Moo.
Moo?
Moo.
Oh, a cow! Have you got a cow behind your back there, Cal?
Yeah, well, it'd have to be a pretty small cow, chats.
Right, not a cow then.
No.
Is it something that comes from a cow?
Yes? Can you guys guess what it is?
Milk! Did you bring some milk back from the farm?
Yes, it's milk. I got to help milk the cows on the farm this morning. Early morning on the farm, lots of work to do. Cows in the paddock go moo, moo, moo. Chickens clucking, buck, buck, buck. Roosters crow, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Did you bring anything else back from the farm?
Yes, there's one more thing I brought back. You want to turn around? Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to give you a bit of a hint, all right? Ba, ba.
A sheep? You couldn't really hide a sheep in the basket, could you?
No, I didn't bring you back a sheep from the farm.
Oh, is sheep a clue? Well, a sheep has lovely soft wool. Did you bring me some wool?
I brought you back a lovely wool blanket made from sheep's wool.
Ah, it's lovely and cosy. Thanks, Cal. I'll just snuggle up with my lovely sheep's wool blanket and think about all the farm animals.
Early morning on the farm, there's lots of work to do. Woolly white sheep go ba ba ba, cows in the paddock go moo moo moo, chickens clucking buck buck buck, roosters crow, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
This is Millie, my cow. She's really stubborn sometimes. Come on, Mill. Here she comes. Good girl, Millie. Good girl. I'm getting ready to do some milking. Good girl. I sit down here, nice and low underneath Millie so that I can milk her easily. And I put the bucket underneath to catch the milk. Ready to do some milking? Pull and squeeze. Pull and squeeze, like this. Pull and squeeze, pull and squeeze. Early morning on the farm, lots of milking to do. Cow in the paddock goes moo, 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 moo. One more time, pull and squeeze, pull and squeeze. Early morning on the farm, lots of milking to do. Cow in the paddock goes moo, 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 moo. Good girl, Millie, you're a champion. Once upon a time, there was a duck called Sophie, who lived in a beautiful pond right in the middle of the city. It was a very busy city, but Sophie loved living here with all its city noises, and its city smells, and especially its city food.
Living in the city, quack, 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 twinkling lights so pretty. Quack, 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 people always busy. Quack, 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 living in the city. Quack!
One day, Sophie found something exciting in her mailbox. It was a party invitation.
A party invitation! Hooray!
It was from Sophie's cousin Frank, the farm duck.
I really love living in the city, but a trip to the country would make a nice change. A nice quiet change.
So it was decided, Sophie the city duck was going to Frank's farm.
Gonna leave the city. Quack, 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 quack. See the farm so pretty. Quack, quack, quack. Yes, I'm gonna leave the city. Quack, 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 quack. See the farm so pretty. Quack!
It was a long way to the farm. Sophie flew, and she flew, and she flew.
Phew! Quack, 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 quack.
Finally, she arrived in the farm pond. Here comes Sophie's cousin Frank.
Quack, quack. Hey there, Sophie. How's your flight?
Oh, hi, Frank. Can't wait for your party today.
The long flight had made Sophie a bit sleepy.
Yeah, well, everything's almost ready for the party, but you look like you could use a bit of sleep before then.
Oh, a nice quiet sleep would be nice.
So Frank left Sophie to have a nap before the party. Soon she was fast asleep until...
Ah! Oh, hi! You must be Sophie.
Ah, yes, I am, but who are you and
was that noise?
Well, I'm a sheep. See? Bah! That was me.
There were lots of noises in the city, but Sophie had never heard a sheep before.
Well, I'll see you at the party, Sophie. See ya.
Finally, time for some rest.
Sophie was asleep again until...
Moo! Moo! Hi there, Sophie.
Oh, who are you and what's that noise?
That was me, and I'm a cow. Moo!
Sophie had never heard a cow before.
Well, it's almost time for the party. See you, Sophie. Moo!
It was time for the party. Sophie hadn't had much sleep, what with all the country noises. But there was no time for sleeping now. The party was a big success. All the animals had a wonderful time. But soon it was time for Sophie to fly home again.
Living in the city, quack, 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 quack. Twinkling lights so pretty, quack, 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 quack. People always busy, quack, 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 quack. Living in the city, quack.
Sophie was so happy to be home in her city pond with all its city noises.
Oh, I'm so happy to be home in my city pond. Finally, time for some rest. Oh, I love the city peace and quiet. Time to sleep at last.
And Sophie the city duck slept peacefully all night long. Come on, everyone, let's go sing the animal song.
Sometimes I'm proud and I feel like crowing.
Sometimes I monkey around.
I can strut like a peacock with my feathers showing.
When white as a mouse, I don't make a sound.
I can pounce like a panther. I'll be strong as an ox. Be stubborn as a mule. Or smart like a fox. I can swim like a dolphin. I'll stand like a flamingo.
So like a falcon, I'll run like a dingo. So many animals inside of me. So many animals set and free. To run through the jungle, fly through the air. Swim in the ocean, go anywhere. So many animals inside of me. So many animals set and free. To run through the jungle, fly through the air. Swim in the ocean, go anywhere.
So many animals. So many animals. Sometimes I'm mad and I feel like snapping.
Sometimes I horse around.
I can scurry like a chook with both wings flapping.
When I play possum, I cannot be found.